That's it.
Do it. Yes. Come on, like a horse. So that's the cottage we stay. I'm gonna build one right here. Let's look at some bandits. So beautiful, guys. Check out the scene, guys. Check out the scene. Nice, nice. Here, I can actually go in here. Can I go farther way down here? Hello, guys. I'm on a surfboard and on the lake. I got this face mask on because the heat, I can get burnt. Check out Yvonne there and McQueen and Riley. I'm coming over, guys. Yeah, so actually I'm trying to do this with one hand again. So I have my iPhone 11 with me. I just hope I don't tip in the lake. So beautiful, guys. Check out the scene, guys. Check out the scene. Here's our cottage, guys, right there. Let's see if I can go forward. Okay, one hand paddle. Okay, hold on. Yeah, shut the camera. Hi. Come on, come this way. There's a cottage in the background, guys. Right there. Look at that. Beautiful. There's the dock. We're just getting off the dock and I'm on my surfboard. Now, it's get tricky because I had the paddle with one hand while I'm holding the camera. You know? Look at the view. Look behind. Look, they come this way. Look at that, guys. The water is nice. You can actually swim. See, there's no weeds underneath here. Look, there's no weeds. So, you can actually swim here. Yeah. Where are you going? Look at that lake, guys. So calm. Beautiful. This is our last day here today. Today's Wednesday. We'll check out tomorrow. We're going to come back here again. It's a beautiful place. This cottage is just amazing. It's perfect. I mean, it's a private property. There's nobody on the lake here. There's no boat, sea-doo or anything in here right now. I don't know if there is one, but there's cottages. There's cottages right there. That's a camping ground. It's a trailer home. There's nobody here during the week. Right now we're on Wednesday, so they're just keeping away from lockdown and all that. But there's a lot of paddle boat over on the other side. There's some canoe there and a middle boat. So there's nobody here, just going to be us here. So we're taking advantage of this because there's nobody here. It's a perfect place to just go and enjoy. Because the water's nice. I'm gonna have my feet. See, I have my feet on the water. See? Now, all right. So let's go. Let's go. I can go paddling with my one hand. There it gets going. Oh, well, make sure you don't stand up, right? Not move. Huh? Here, I can actually go in here. Can I go farther away down there? You know, kind of right. I'm kind of close to the dock area, just in case. We were here yesterday. Me and my brother. Enjoying. The water is nice. It is nice. It's perfect to go swimming. It's not cold. Bae! Bae! This is my personal King mask. Face mask. See how far I'm gonna go, guys. Oh no, with one hand. So I'm using this kayak paddle on the shortboard. Alright. Guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you so much. Thank you for subscribing. And don't forget to likes and thumbs up and make comments below. If you have any questions, and this is actually how Canadian life, what they do on the vacation. You know, if they're not flying away, sorry, if they're not flying away out of the country, they come up in northern Toronto. There's a lot of lake here, a lot of cottages. You can go camping, you can go fishing, you can rent cottages and trailer homes. There's probably all rentals there, private rentals. Yeah, so they come up here and it's cheaper. You know, they just drive up about an hour and 2 hours or 3 hours just north of Toronto, and they come up here and enjoy. And that's because of this pandemic, and a lot of them is just kind of staying home. And I think I recommend it to come up here if they have a chance and enjoy. And I think it's better to lock down yourself or isolate yourself up here. You know, you rent a cottage, you rent a trailer homes, or if you have a cottage, stay. You know, stay away from Toronto. Stay in a big city and just come out in the north and enjoy it, because it's a beautiful day, guys. I mean, beautiful. Darling, hey. In her home. Yeah, so it's, guys, again, I wish you to stay safe and follow the guidelines when you guys are going out. Take the vaccine if you need to take the vaccine. No comments for myself, but just keep your distance, wash your hands. And it's terrible. This has been happening since last year. You know, it's too bad that a lot of business company and people have lost their jobs and business, shutting down because of this. So instead of staying home, lock down yourself or isolate yourself, just go outdoors. It's starting to open now. The parks are open. Some sports activities are allowed to, like tennis and basketball. You can go out to play basketball as long as they're outdoors. So, but look at that. Hi, darling. You have fun? Yeah, now you know how to pedal, eh? It's easy, eh? Yeah. You want to come back here again? Yeah, good. Yeah. Oh! Mean. Wait, you want to crush them and you want me to flip over? I have this camera. This is not a cheap camera. An iPhone 11 Pro Max 12, 256, huh? Yeah, can you pull me in and drag me? All right, so you're going to drag me to take that string. Here's the string. So she's going to tie this string. Okay, she's going to tie this string on her kayak. Huh? Yeah. Okay, hold on. Okay. Hold on, slow down. Wait, hold on. I'm going to focus this camera a sec. Okay, guys, so she's going to pull me. I tie my string behind the kayak, and she's going to pull me. So I don't have to paddle. Let's see if she can do it. Oh, yeah, she's doing it. Hold on, I'm going to turn this camera on, guys. Let's get to see. Go. She's pulling me. Huh? Go, just go slow. Yeah. See, I just tied my rope on my front to her back of her kayak. You go in the middle. Go around here. Turn. Good job. Good.
I have to go that way.
I know. Save me time. There we go. There we go. Wow, look at that. Nice, nice. Huh? It's moving. Yeah, use the muscle. That's it. Turn around, it's okay. You're moving because I can feel it from here. Yeah. It's good exercise for you.
Wow.
I'll turn this camera around. You'll see me from behind. Alright guys, so here it is. There you go. He's following me. He's dragging me. He's dragging me. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Huh? Yeah, it's okay. Just pull. I don't have to pedal. I don't have to use this, guys. I'm gonna lead all the work. Come on, I'm gonna whip you. Come on. Come on, like a horse. Yeah. Tiggity, 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 tiggity. Let's make sure I won't drop this camera. I've got on my selfie stick. Yeah. There's no wave here, so it's good. You know, the water's good. You can actually swim. I think you can tell them to go swimming on the dock here. Yeah. This way. Behind. Huh? Yeah, there we go. Yeah.
Oh, I'm a good time.
Yeah, just good exercise for your arm.
Yeah.
Yeah, just dragging me. Good. I'll make it work. I'll make it work. I'm gonna whip. That's good for your arm. There you go. Come on. You can do it. That's it. Row! Row! This is training for you for the next Olympics. Row! Row! Right! Left! Go. Left again. Left! Right! Left! Right! Huh? Yeah. If you go slow, it moves faster. Well, you're not really having a good workout there. You gotta push up to the limit. Push it to the limit. The water's nice. Look at my feet. You can actually see the ground, eh? There's no weeds. That's a good thing. Oh, look at that. It's perfect. It's quiet. Quiet. Yes, this is the life that I want to live. Yeah, baby. No, if I win a 649 lotto, I'll buy one of these homes. Maybe I'll buy Glenn's cottages. What do you think, Glenn? I'll offer you twice, 3 times the value. Just kidding. Maybe I'll buy another one beside you. I'll build one right beside you. So that's the cottage we're staying. I'm gonna build one right here. It's like some bandits, you know, 4 or 5 story, if I'm allowed. I'm gonna bring all the kababay in. And I'm gonna, first year, once I open, I rent it for free. Booked it for the whole year, all rent free. And then, started my business after that, and it's good. Oh. Excuse me. Huh? Like there's a lot of property. A lot of trailer homes there. And there's probably more over there. See, there's nothing up there. I think most of the private properties and the cottages are in this area. And right behind me. Right there. I need water. There we go. Good. Keep paddling, keep paddling. Keep paddling. That's it. Good. You gonna give up or no? Good. Turn around this way. Can you see yourself? Just turn around. So I want to see you. Just turn your boat around. Yeah, beside me, yeah. I want to kiss you. Ooh, I want to kiss her. Ooh, huh? Yeah. Look. She's gonna kiss me. Kiss me. Kiss me, kiss me, kiss me, kiss me, kiss me, kiss me. You're gonna kiss me? Don't. Good tip. But kiss me, gonna kiss me. You wanna reach?
No way, baby.
I don't care. so scary because things gonna tip. Look at that, guys. I just wish everybody can have a chance to come here and enjoy things that we do here in the last 3 days here at the Owl Lake Cottage. I'd like to thank Glenn and the family and the wifey to represent to rent it for us, and I'm glad that we did it. It's a beautiful place. One of my YouTube video will be about the cottage and what's inside, and all the things that we do here, and activities, fishing and swimming, and yeah. So, oh, somebody's playing. All right. Okay, so my little guy's just crying. Okay, buddy, we're coming. Maybe got dream. Yeah. Guys, I don't know what else I can say, guys. I always say thank you. Thank you again for your support. Thank you for subscribing me. For those who haven't subscribed, please subscribe and thumbs up and likes, and don't forget to press the ring button that you'll be notified on any of my next video that upload. So since I've been for 3 days, I only uploaded one video. I have lots of video, but because we're all away from the city and the internet connection is not too great, but again, I got one that I posted last night. So if you get this video, it's maybe being delayed posting up. So again, thank you so much. Peace. See you guys in the next video. I'm gonna push this button right now.